Hey guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how to add black and white dark portrait effect in Snapseed app. You can see before one and the after one. It looks perfect. It's very easy guys. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now just click on open. Now we will open our picture. We want to add dark portrait effect. By the way guys, I have given Snapseed app download link in description. You can download it from there. Now just go to the tool section and click on toon image. Now from here we will make our picture look darker, shady and patchy dark and white effect. Saturation must be -100. Remain setting you can adjust according to your picture. Note all the settings, percentage and click on apply. Now we are going to add patchy dark effect. For that just click on effects and select push effect and simply apply it. Press on apply symbol. Now next step, go to the tool section and click on tonal contrast tool. High tones +14, medium tones +16, low tones +12 and protect shadow +4, protect highlights +7. Note the percentage and click on apply. Now next, go to the tool section and select curves tool. Now click on channel and select RGB channel. Now just down the curve like this. Like this and click on apply. Now click on edit stack, view edits, curves, brush. Click on invert, again click on invert. Now increase the percentage, make it 100 and start brushing. First we will make background black like this. To erase just decrease the percentage, make percentage 0 and to restore increase the percentage, make percentage 100. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel then please do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage. First I am making background black. After that I will zoom out the photo and start adding shadings like this. Zoom out the picture and start shading like this, you can see. So it looks like a shadow on the face. And just click on apply. Now next step, click on details. Increase the sharpening level, structure level and click on apply. Last but not the least, click on toon image. From here, increase the contrast level, not all the percentage. It's very important step guys to add a touch up to the face. And click on apply. And here is our final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And click on export to save the picture.